Okay. Thank you, sir.
Respected dignitaries, faculty staff, and my dear participant friends, very good afternoon to all of you. I am Dr. Rajiv Bidange, Assistant Professor in Department of Chemistry, Bhagwantrao College, Etapulli, District Gadcholi. It gives me great pleasure to introduce the guest of this session. We are honored this afternoon session by the presence of Dr. Abhijeet Shelke sir, Professor of Management Science in Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Marathwada University, Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar, Maharashtra. Sir has two bachelor degrees, one in engineering and another one is law. Also, sir did two master degrees, one in management science and another one is MA in yoga. Sir has 19 years teaching and research experience. Uh, his research area is industrial marketing, digital marketing, and strategic marketing. Sir guided 16 MPhil students, 12 PhD students, while 8 students pursuing their PhD degree. Sir published more than 20 research paper. Sir has Google citation 92, Google H index 05, Google I index 02, Scopus citation 15, Scopus H index 1. Also, sir has completed two projects of cost 87 lakh. This is the brief introduction about the sir. Thank you, one and all. Now the session is over to you, sir.
Good afternoon. How many participants? 57 are there. Okay. So I'm here today for this session. I'm not able to see anyone, and so it's a very impersonal communication.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. It is a difficult session because it's a post-lunch session, and that too online. So I know we are here today for this leadership excellence program, and I will be speaking on the AI and how it is bringing innovation in educational field. That is what today's topic is. So shall I share this thing? Just a minute. I will be also available on this chat, this thing. So you may reply on the chat. Are you able to access the chat, this thing?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Somebody, all of you, whoever is accessing, just say hi on that so I can see, because I'm not able to see the names. There are a lot of numbers itself. So it's good that there are people who are live and giving attention. I'll just share my this thing. How to do that? I wanted to share my screen. Can someone help in that? Just a minute. Is there anybody there who can help me with the sharing of my screen?
सर इथं काय करा, तुमचं पॉवर पॉईंट ओपन करा.
So there is an option share कर.
हे दाखवतं
Yeah,
PPT
share is
ओपन
there,
करायचं.
but
Share there, we'll have to click that share, and sir, we'll have to keep our PPT open, and
yes,
then we
yes,
can
yes,
press
yes.
that share button, and then we can select that PPT.
No, I wanted to share the whole screen actually, because we will be taking some demonstration also here. on this. I wanted to share some demonstrations also. So that's why I wanted to share the whole screen, not just PPT, but okay, let's see from here.
Yes, sir. Done, sir.
Ali, sir, Ali.
Yes, yes, yes. Just let me check whether other screens are visible. Can you tell me?
Yes, sir, your screen is visible.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
okay. That means it is visible.
Sir, not for full screen, sir.
No, I was
That
just
PPT is
want
visible,
to
sir.
check now. Yeah. Okay, okay. So before starting on this, I wanted to know how much comfortable and diverse background we are having. So I can speak in that way. How many of you are using or aware of AI? If you are aware, just tell me on the screen, this thing, chat. Yes, no. How many of you are using AI actually in your this thing, day-to-day work?
Sir, I am using, sir. Hello?
Yes, yes. I can see yes, no, yes, no, partly.
I
I
am
like
using,
this
sir,
answer of,
chat
I like
GPT, sir.
this partly answer. I liked it. Using every day in documentation. Okay, okay. So 15, 20 people are there who are using it. Mostly we are using, what are the models we are using? ChatGPT. Anyone, somebody who is using anything else apart from that? Gemini. Okay. Gamma for this thing. Grok is there. Okay. DeepSeek also. Perplexity, somebody is using Perplexity. Okay. So we have a mixed group of people who are using, someone are using lot of new models also. Cloud is there. Okay, okay. Yeah, so this is good. And one more thing I wanted to know, what are the purposes we are using for this AI models we are using? What is the purpose we are using? Can you tell me in your chat screen? For what activities you are using it? Notes purpose is there. Oh, research. Great. But not many people are using, telling the activities. So basic things are there. Search and research and reports, mostly admin work. Coding also, great. Ready-made notes, report, slides. Okay, okay. Admin work. Fine. So what we will do is for professional work like writing, great, great. Professional emails, writing presentations, knowledge purpose, marketing, content gen, clerical also. Okay. So quite a lot of intelligent and aware audience we have. In fact, I am also not very much in this thing, But around a year back, I got a lot of interest in AI, and then I started exploring the things, various models. So I saw what is ChatGPT. It started like 2, 3 years back. I started looking in that. Then Gemini is there. Recently, Cloud, Perplexity. These are the models. Then various tools I started using, and then I did a course in that so that I could explore it more. And then I started my this AI journey, and that's why I decided that let's speak on this topic because this is a very recent phenomena. We can say 2, 3 years is not a big this thing, recent phenomena, and in we are in all in education field. Uh, we have to be updated with the latest things. So I'll just my plan is that if, some slides are there which I wanted to discuss basic things, and then we will go on for the demonstration. So I know that you are aware, some people are aware of something, some are not aware of something. So whoever is aware will also again have a relook. What are the various tools? Normally, we only know Chat GPT and that's it. But what are the things? Even Chat GPT, if we see, we have diverse purposes and uses which we can use for our day-to-day life for administration. We normally have three things, isn't it? Every teacher, one thing is teaching and evaluation, teaching, learning, evaluation. That is one basic activity of a teacher. Along with that, we have another thing is that is research. So teaching, research, and the third thing is administration. So basically, our most of the time goes in these three areas. So how we can use the various tools and techniques and AI-enabled things for our teaching, learning, evaluations, administration, and research purpose. That is what we will see various tools actually doing it. And if somebody who are there on the laptops, if you are seeing this on the laptop, you can parallelly also try it on yourself. Okay, just a minute. I will. Okay, you are able to see the screen now?
Yes, sir.
Just say yes, yes. Okay. Now the topic is leading the AI revolution in Indian academia. What is the AI that we will see? Just a minute. The AI wave, brief introduction to the context and history. What is this wave we are looking? The impact on this globally and in India. How we are doing it in NEP, new education policy or national education policy, and in action we will see what are the things. Uh, Basically, we are a generation which is actually seeing. If I assume that you are of my similar age or maybe 10, 15 years younger, as a generation, we have technology move. And, earlier, it was the then it started gaining pace. We have seen in our childhoods, we have radio, we have seen the black and white television also. I don't know how many of you have had opportunity to see the black and white televisions. Then the color televisions came in. Then around 95, 2000s, computers started coming in. So around 20, 30 years, it was like radio and television only we were seeing. Uh, After that, when computers came, India leapfrogged into the computer era, which was, uh, in infrastructure or lifestyle, we were around 100 years back with the developed world. But again, we jumped, and in the computer era, India wholly accepted this IT age, and we came. A lot of developments were there in IT field. Then there was a telecom boom, IT, and then telecom boom. So if you see that um, earlier, if you have seen, we had landlines in our house. The black box we had, which would, be very heavy black box. We had to dial it circularly. So from that, we had a shortage of that, and then we jumped to the mobile scenario. Telecom revolution took place. We have today one of the highest level of usage of telecom in the world. And then the internet era came in. In internet, the distance and the time, this was reduced so much that now everything is at the lightning speed. We can see whatever developments in the world going on. These are the latest developments happening. So we are actually, basically, we are having a change, that is true, but the change is happening in a very fast manner. So now we are on par with the world. We have seen the internet era. We have seen IT companies, which are world-renowned companies. Now this is the next wave of this thing. This is called as AI wave, which is in fact very different and very you can say that thing which can neutralize earlier gains. Whatever IT we were ahead, whatever this thing, it was basically, we see that Indian IT field and it was a BPO type of thing where the manual and cheap labor in IT field was from India, and we leveraged that in the world. But now the AI is doing something different thing. It is going to replace a lot of these activities, a lot of routine, a lot of manual, or we can say routine activities in IT also. So if we say that there used to be a BPO, I would say there used to be. Now also they are there, but now they will be going away. The BPOs, what they did is that basically the person who is sitting in the US, he used to call, and a person from our end in our country sitting here in the call center would address the person, whatever issues there were there, they were addressed by these people for other countries. Now we have uh, such a thing that there are voice agents and AI agents coming in. So they are replacing the manual work, and it is happening. In fact, I will show you an example also here, how fast it is changing and what is the problem we are going to face. So yes, the AI is there, and we will see what is AI. Basically, uh, word artificial intelligence or AI or AI agent is there. Uh, these are the words since last 3-4 years, 5 years we are speaking. Mostly OpenAI and ChatGPT, that is came around 2020 or 21, I think, or 2019 maybe. So at that time, then this word came in. But AI is not a new thing. AI is old, or in fact, 50, 60 years back also, we had started artificial intelligence. You can see here. This is a good statement. That's why I have displayed it here. The Industrial Revolution rewarded the intensity of one's labor. The information age, the clarity of one's thought, and the AI revolution, the purity of one's taste. This is a very beautiful statement which says that uh, industrial revolution, all of us know, 1870s and 80s and uh, so on. So that time it was there. Whatever we could do manually or more productivity, that translated into more and more gains. So that was a reward when you have hard work, put in hard work. The next came the information age where the machines did the all the labor work, but the clarity of one's thought and how you think, how logically you think, how clearly you put the things, you develop the software codes and let the computers work it. So that was happening, and the information age, now you can see the topmost companies in the world. They are more of a technology companies. They are more of Google or Facebook or Amazon or Apple or this kind of companies, which are basically technology companies. They are information age companies. Rather, earlier companies like General Motors or like ExxonMobil or whatever, Ford or this thing, these are not the leading companies now. Now, information age, which needs the clarity of one's thought and logical thinking, basically. The third is now, since last 3, 4, 5 years, more we are seeing is the AI revolution. It rewards the purity of one's thought. What does this mean? When we are discerning enough, see, there is information available, there is knowledge available. Now we need to be discerning enough. We have to have right taste so that we select the right tools, right agents to do of one stage. How you will be selecting it? There is a wave of this thing coming in. So that is what the statement says. Here it is a picture of Professor Archibald Montgomery. He was basically a British scientist or engineer, basically engineer, and a lot of new work he did. A earlier prototype of television or some other these things. He was a good this thing, but he was known for he had written a book, Future of, on the name is Future, the Future. That is in 1925, and at that time he has predicted 100 years later on, that is 2025 today. So what is going to happen? He was a future visionary or something like that, and he wrote that in the book, this thing. In the book, he has given, you can see a illustration, a, a picture, where you can see uh, what are the things. This is 100 years back when, the whatever we see was not there today. It is there. So here you can see the child is playing. There is a robotic dog which is there, or there are flying cars you can see, or a lot of things which we can see today. So this is what he had predicted a century ago. Live sports on wall TVs or room temperature control, instant global information access, unlimited music, and electronic toys for kids. So they're fantasies. They are not, you couldn't imagine that. That is what. Again, take the metal tube, meal tube. That's how Mr. Lowe imagined he'd eat. The garage, flying car, and baldness also. He had predicted actually these will happen. So we can see that AI went from the idea in science fiction to a technology. Right now, these things are happening. Only thing he went wrong is that he said that all people will be barred in 2025, but we can see that not many are there. Um, these are the major milestones in the AI revolution. There is the famous Turing text, which is said that the text generated by computers and they should resemble the human text. So when it is indistinguishable, that is the test which Turing had said. So from that, we have seen now GPT-3 launched in 2019 or 20 something. So now we can see that the computer is generating the text which the human can generate. That level of text it is generating, and in fact, sometimes it is even doing better. That milestone it has achieved now. In education, AI is doing a lot of things. In fact, sometimes I feel a doubt that after 10 or 15 years, 5, 10 years, teachers will not be needed like the way they are needed now, because everything it is changing. Enhanced learning. AI enables personalized learning paths, adaptive content, and intelligent tutoring systems. So you imagine that, let us say a textbook or a text is there, and that is designed for individual student. How will that make difference? Will it not make a difference that a textbook is designed for individual person, his needs, or whatever understanding is there, whatever the strengths are there. Suppose a student is good at maths and poor at language. The textbook will be suited in that way. It will be explaining. So that customized, or we can say adaptive content and intelligent tutoring system, that is happening right now. If you have gone through Duolingo, how many of you, can you tell me in chat, how many of you heard about this Duolingo? I cannot see the chat box. So that is okay. No. Okay, leave it. So Duolingo, if you see, it is basically an application or a mobile or web app for learning various languages. Now, the beauty of it is that for every student who is learning on Duolingo, the class is different, the material is different, the pace of learning is different, and whatever the way it goes on, progresses, that depends on the learner. So that is the beauty of this learning, which we will see in the future actually. Within the next 5 to 10 years, we will be seeing all the normal learning in that way. That uh, what the AI, which is the Duolingo people are using, that is individualized to the every learner. So the learner's speed of learning, it adjusts to that. The strengths of the learner, the weaknesses of the learner. So everything is factored, and individual plan is given individually as the progress of learning and this thing is happening. It goes in that way. So that is a very different type of education than what we have seen up till now. And that gives even LinkedIn learning is there. Or if you have heard of Squirrel AI, there are the various learning platforms for diverse learners. When we are saying diverse, that means there are some specially abled students are there, learners are there. So it is adapting to that, and it is. Hello, are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, that
Yes,
is fine.
sir.
Okay, okay. So enhanced learning is there, research acceleration is there. Uh, from automating data analysis to identifying new research trends and assisting with literature reviews. So these are things that is happening. If somebody of you might be from science field, you know that uh, there are various drug discovery methods or genomics or social sciences. So here in drug discovery, when you are working, you have to have many years, you have to work on that. The data processing is there. It's a huge task, which is now aided by AI. So whatever it should took years to complete, now they are doing it in few months. Even when we saw that COVID vaccine was there, normally a vaccine takes many years to be developed. But if these techniques are used, then the life cycle is reduced. Basically, sorry, the development cycle, what I want to say, that is reduced and shortened, and you can bring the drugs faster. In genomics also, DNA and all these things. In fact, just 2-3 days back, if you must have read this thing, that scientists, AI researchers now have uh, developed algorithms which are not needing any human intervention, and they themselves are now discovering things or inventing things. So they are doing it very fast. Maybe they are solving the mathematical problems, or if you see weather related things. Now, when you say that there is a prediction of weather, it's not an easy task. Predicting and weather takes a lot of hundreds of data points are there. They have to be calculated in real time, and then you can predict what is going to be the weather. So these are being done. Operational efficiency is there. AI streamlines administrative tasks that you also, some of you now said that they are using for clerical purpose. So these are the things, these are coming in education, future ready skills. Now, AI literacy is a compulsory thing. It's not an optional thing that, and the confusion among people is that when we say uh, they are AI learning the AI, it is not just coding we are talking about. Coding is gone now. We are talking about learning the various tools that AI offers, using the artificial intelligence for your productivity, increasing your productivity, decreasing your routine this thing work, and making higher value additions. So for that, if you can use AI, then you are called as a AI literate, and everybody has to have that, because you will be seeing that AI is going to replace a lot of people in various this thing. If you see legal, this, law field, now so many lawyers will not be needed, because lawyers, what they are doing, AI is doing in minutes. What they do is that they have thousands of cases, and it goes through it and presents it, makes a proper draft, and it's such a beautifully drafted case that uh, one lawyer can now do 10 cases in a day, or maybe 20 cases. So, as the productivity is increased, the employment is also going to get affected. We have to enable our students in that manner. Fundamentally, AI is the process of building machines that can replicate human intelligence. These machines learn, reason, and adapt while carrying out activities that normally call for human intelligence. So that is what is artificial intelligence, which is process of building machines that can replicate what we are doing. As you must have seen in the graph I showed. Uh, Human neural networks are being copied. Whatever in our brain, we have neurons and they are neural networks. So that is copied in these networks, and human intelligence is replicated. So that's why the machines can learn, reason, and adapt while carrying out activities that normally call for human intelligence. That is what is artificial intelligence. Now we are having a lot of confusion regarding the AI which is there. There are maybe 2 or 3 types of AIs now. Traditionally, AI was 50, 60 years back also it came and it is there. So, but it was no focused on analyzing the data or patterns, making predictions and forecasts, and using techniques like decision trees, regression models are there, algorithm which are doing the cluster analysis and so on. So this is what is the artificial intelligence which was being done by traditional AI, and it was very well used in predictive analytics, pattern recognition, uh, like face recognition and so on, pattern recognition, natural language processing. Uh, it is very good at analyzing and interpreting. But what happens? Does not have ability to create something new, generate new content is what it is lacking, and that deficiency was completed by what we see as ChatGPT. That is called today as generative AI. So this is the difference between traditional AI and generative AI. Generative AI means it can analyze data and creates original human-like content. So generation capability is there, which the traditionally it was lacking. And behind that is what is called as large language models. So what is a large language model? It is basically, if I have to explain in basic things, to person who are not in computer field, see the total, if you have knowledge, we can say, uh, most of the knowledge which human beings have is available on the internet, because in some text or in some books or in some website or in some way data or this thing, it is available on the internet.
So you guys, what aspects of session do you
हे बाबा तिचा नंबर काय आहे तिचा
Any problem is there? Somebody's mic is on, I think. Okay. So what they have done is that the whole database, the whole internet data, the computers have been trained on that. That means what happens, let us say in English language. Okay. In English language, how many words it must be there? Around 1.5 lakh to 2 lakh words are there in English language. So what now they have done is that for every word, they have given certain code. And every word has been given a unique code. And then it has been arranged, they call it a token. Yeah, they call it a token. And the computer is trained on this words. The computer doesn't understand anything about this, but it understands that this is the token, this is the ID of this word. And when the computer reads all the data on the internet, which the OpenAI people did first. So now the computer understands that there is a probability. So after this word, what comes next? This word comes. And after these 2 words are there, this third word is the probability. Then fourth, like that, it starts constructing a sentence. And like that, it constructs a whole paragraph. And like that, it constructs a whole book also. So it knows, it doesn't copy, but it knows that this after this the every word has got a linking. So whenever we say apple, so there is a link between other words. Apple word is related with other words, and there is a probability that this word is comes more close to apple, and that word comes afterwards, or maybe this kind of modeling is there. So this is what is called as a large language model. And once that is developed, now the computer knows how to develop, generate new text because it has seen all the text. Everything which we have done up till now, uh, gone through that, and every book, every manual, every data point, everything text basically. So that's why now it is generating the text. It can generate coherent text and functional code. So that is the beauty of it, that now it can generate coherent means it is not senseless. It has sense, whatever it generates. I'll show you a lot of things now also, that there is a lot of creativity also, and functional code is also there. It is doing realistic images, synthetic data, music, and video. So all these things it is generating. That is why we call it as a generative AI. It creates content from simple prompts, pushing the boundaries of machine intelligence. So if you put a simple prompt, from that it starts generating each and every word, word after word. Now it doesn't need to understand it because it knows that what is the next word we have to have. So that is the difference. AI, machine learning, neural networks, deep mining, these are the as it develops, artificial intelligence is actually a broad terminology which has machine learning. When machines are used, algorithms are there for learning. So that is called as machine learning. And when it copies the biological systems, networks, neural networks, so it is neural network. Of that, the subset is there, which is called as deep learning. And of that, then the subset is generative AI. So collection of deep learning algorithms that can generate human-like content. This is what is generative AI, which is a very small part of the whole overall artificial intelligence system. So in large language models and generative AI, generative AI is a umbrella term for AI models capable of generating diverse, and large language models are specialized subset of generative AI focused on text-based tasks. So now the LLMs, what we say, OpenAI, these are mostly the text-based thing. They are trained on text. So images, they have different this thing. Generative AI encompasses all content generation capabilities across different domains. But LLMs are specific to text and form one part of the broader generative AI landscape. Applications of LLMs are technology enabling search engines, assisting developers in healthcare science, understanding biological data, and aiding medical processes is there. Very heavy usage in healthcare and science field. Customer service, you can see chatbots are there. Conversational AI is there. In fact, now voice agents are there which can, if you get a call today on a phone, it is possible that the call is being made by not by a human but a computer. So that much level of fineness it has had. Marketing, lot of diverse usage in marketing, performing sentiment analysis, generating content. In legal aspect, as I said, that banking is mostly now being driven by IT only. In fact, 2-3 days back, you must have read in the newspaper that lot of income tax officials gave notices to various people in Bangalore. Now, these notices were based on they have used certain AI models and they have gone through a huge database, and then it came to know that these people are spending some things here and there, and that shows that they have a lot of income, and that's why they have given them notices. AI is expanding role, personalized learning, as we have seen this thing. India's this thing AI trajectory in academia. Government has also launched AI mission. Actually, India AI mission is there. AI Kosh, that is the spelling mistake. AI Kosh, they are formed. I can show you if you, or afterwards also. Just a minute, I'll show you. See here, this is the India AI portal is there. AI mission India has targeted, and through that we can have this. There, I cannot click on that also. Okay, we will do it later on. So basically, AI Kosh means Government of India has opened a lot of databases for AI related and other activities, so that artificial intelligence can be, the models can be trained on that. So on this AI Kosh website, government has given that. A lot of growing ecosystem is there, startups in Bengaluru, Hyderabad. In Hyderabad, there is a AI park itself, which is being developed for artificial intelligence. Mumbai is there, Gulgaon is there. So these are developing as a AI startup centers where companies based on AI are being incubated. Unique challenges are also there. The challenges, various types of challenges like scale, diversity, accessibility is there. There is a lot of population with us which doesn't have access to basic things, and we are talking about AI. So that issue is coming. Another thing is that when we talk about AI, a lot of processing power is needed for that. So GPUs, graphic processing units are needed. And for that, a lot of electricity is needed. So these are the challenges which are faced. Demographic dividend is there. When we say that the future belongs to agentic AI, that means AI agents will be doing a lot of work which are manual now today. Now then, uh, how will we equip our students, our youngsters for these challenges? That is an important thing. Otherwise, today when we say that it is demographic dividend, that means a huge population of India is in the age of 25 to 26 years, and for next 25, 30 years, it will be in a productive stage. employable and productive stage, so that the GDP of India will be benefited from that productive manpower. But if the manpower, the young people, they are not employed, then that will become a problem. That will create a big problem. So that's why we have to enable our students. You can see in the photograph that all the students are looking towards that AI thing, which is an imaginary thing. So that is needed in this academia. NEP, all of us are aware that new education policy last 3-4 years we have been hearing lot of we have implemented it. You must have in your colleges you have started courses, yeah, first year or second year also it must be there. So the government's objective, at least 50% of gross enrollment ratio should be there by 2035, and access to technology has to be increased, because we cannot just increase the enrollment. There has to be that much infrastructure available. That is not there today. Today we see that in our university also, in our Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Marathwada University, we have colleges and they are not able to fulfill the demand, but then we have to close certain colleges also because they are not giving quality education. So how will the GR, which is 15% or 17% now, go to 50%? So that is why we will need AI integration for that. We will need to take help from artificial intelligence for this. Then multidisciplinary education, breaking traditional subject silos. That is needed. That is NEP also. When we see NEP, it says the same thing, that you have to have interdisciplinary, multidisciplinary education. But how will that happen? That is the question, because those many teachers are not there. So we will need to take AI from help from that. Critical thinking, equitable education, access to education for all, inclusive learning opportunities, and research excellence. So for this pyramid to happen, we will need integrate the artificial intelligence into our education system itself. Then only we can go many steps ahead and enable our workforce to face the challenges. So that is the need of the hour. AI-powered pedagogical and curricular transformation. That is the automated assessment, curricular design, interactive content, personalized learning that is needed. Now, how to do it? That is the challenge which we have, because if we see there are colleges. Let us say in our university, around 400 colleges are there. Lakhs of students are there. How can we bring personalized learning? How can we bring interactive content, or even assessment? Taking examinations of such huge student population is a challenge which every day we have to face, and we are getting a lot of problems in that. Curriculum design is there. Now, earlier we used to say that 3 to 4 years we have to change the syllabus. Now it is having that like every 6 months we need to have different tools, different activities, different curriculum in our this thing. So that is the challenge which we are facing. We have to do it. AI, a catalyst for institutional excellence, data-driven decisions, analytics for performance and effectiveness, student support. Uh, I'll give an example. See, in our university, we have a website which is visited by thousands of students, but we are not able to give support to them, and they will be like looking for where should we get information. If we employ AI chatbots, then at least basic things, basic instructions we can give to the students. Whatever queries are there, we can do it. Smart campuses, alumni engagement, personalized outreach, and donor identification. So these are activities which can be used uh, with the help of AI. For that, we will be needing intelligent LMS, learner management system, content creation, immersive learning. So you can see that in the classroom, the students are sitting in VR and AR, virtual reality, augmented reality, with AI creating engaging experiences. This is going to be needed because they will be, you know, for this huge number of young workforce, we will be needing such shortcuts. Teachers cannot reach so many people, so many students. So that is a big thing. Content creation is there. I'll just wouldn't want to interact. Is the everything going fine? Where is this thing? Where is it? Uh, can somebody post on the chat box? But where is the chat box? Yes. Everything is visible now. I just
Yes,
wanted
sir.
to. Yeah. We actually, I knew that the slide, it is a one-way communication. So in between, I should take a feedback from you. And another thing is, I wanted to actually give some demonstrations. When are we going to take a break? What time is the break planned here?
4:30, sir.
4:30. So we
4:30.
have some. Yes, we have some time. Just a minute. Okay. Uh, there are a lot of challenges in our AI journey also. One important thing is data privacy is there. Our data, we also don't know uh, when it becomes public, because a lot of our data is already there in the to the companies. Companies already have, like Google or Facebook or WhatsApp or so on. These companies have a lot of data. The problem is that now the AI is coming, and AI can, if I tell you some example, just a few days back, the example is of just a few days back, that an AI program, it destroyed the full data of a company. So the company's full data was destroyed by its own AI this thing. So that has served as a warning to us that how can we save one thing is saving us from human beings, and second thing is saving us from the AI agents. How many of you know what is AI agent? Can you tell me? Again, I am waiting for chat messages. Have you encountered what is AI agent? Yes. Somebody is saying Siri. No. So AI agent is basically a small unit, which has got certain tools, it has got certain memory, and it has got some thinking, and it accesses other AI models. And this unit is called as an AI agent. It acts autonomously. So autonomously, once you give certain tools to them and some brain power and memory, then that becomes autonomous. The agent decides what to do then. When you have given activities, it decides which tools to use and how to use, and then it gives the results. So that agent, a small unit, but now what is happening is that these AI agents are becoming smarter and they are like working, replacing our human aspects. Our data privacy, their algorithmic bias, that is also another issue in ensuring fairness in AI systems. So there is a famous example actually. When we say algorithmic bias, there is a famous example that even Modi also gave that example when he went to a conference in France. So that example is that when you in a chat GPT or Gemini or whichever this thing is there, you type and say that show me a person's photo, create a person's photo, a person who's writing in left hand, from writing by left hand. So left-handed person's photograph you ask, and what happens you see. So it gives a person writing, but the hand is right hand. Another time you again repeat, again it will be showing you right-handed person writing, and it doesn't give. That was up till now it is happening. I don't know what latest this is. This is because the AI was trained on so much models and so much images, and all the images it has seen is that person who is writing from the right hand. So it has a bias that whatever image you ask, it shows that way. So the bias is there. We know that we human beings have a bias, and because our data is used to train, naturally that bias has come in the algorithm itself. So how to encounter, how to face that, that is also there. Natural bias has come in the artificial intelligence also. Digital infrastructure, building necessary technical foundations, that is important. Uh, Today, what is happening is that all the data centers are outside India. So all the data which is there we have, it goes outside and we don't know what is there. We don't have control on that. Even the AI models which are being trained and every GPUs, and they have big farms of servers, processing units, and they are situated in the US or China or Europe only. So that infrastructure we don't have. That's why our data is not safe. Human touch, balancing AI with educator-student interaction, that is important. So that is another thing that when we say that AI is going to replace teachers or this thing, so it doesn't mean that actually it will be replacing. But the thing is that uh, every time human interaction has to be there, human beings have to make their interaction effective and productive by taking help of artificial intelligence. That should be the happening thing. So that is needed. Just a minute. Okay, we will see certain tools now. The tools, your participation will be needed for that. So that is why I was waiting for a break. So we can take a break and get fresh, and then we can see the demos. Somebody is, I think, doing some lines on this. So we will be trying to understand basically some tools and some practical applications in academics, what I am also using and what we normally will be helpful to us. So that I would want to demonstrate. What should we do? I
It's
wanted
okay,
your
sir. We
part.
can take a break.
So we will do that. And then we actually, I wanted to be more interactive with you, so that you are also be able to see it and do the things.
Okay, sir.
Who is coordinating this now? When should we meet?
Gaurav, sir.
Uh,
Gaurav.
One thing I wanted to just see that whether I can share the screen so that I will be able to do the things. This you are able to see?
Yes, sir.
Then fine then. Okay, then when we are doing this break, tell
4:30,
me.
sir.
4:30.
10 minutes break, sir.
So should I start then this demonstration, or should I wait? Or we'll do one thing, 15-20 minutes of break we will take, and 4:30 we'll meet. Is that
Okay,
fine?
sir. That will be fine. That will be fine, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yes, okay. But we
Okay.
have to start, keep this
Yes, sir.
this thing on.
Yes, sir. We'll keep it on. We'll wait for you.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Wait. Okay. Are all there now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes.
Marshall diagram.
How many of just message me on the chat? Just give me a message. One yes is there. Two people are there. Three. Why others are gone for tea or what? 4:30 is the tea time.
No tea time.
Only 3 people are replying, so that's why. Four people have replied. You have to bring others back. Yes, 5, 6. Now they are getting up. What about the others? So you are able to see my screen, or I have to share it again?
Yes, sir.
You are seeing my screen.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, I'll this something. Now, when we see about, we have seen generative AI and large language models. So, certain models I have listed here, which are there. You have heard about that. OpenAI, various versions are there. Then Google's Gemini is there. Meta. Meta means the Facebook company that they have got Llama 2, 3, and so on. Then Anthropic is there. Anthropic, the brand is Cloud. From by that name, they have the model. Mistral, others are there. So these are some popular. One more is there. I have not listed. Chinese company DeepSeek is there. So these are the various models. Now the thing is that on the AI, generative AI, there is one more layer that is LLM. So that is useful for having human-like interactions. So that's why we say chat GPT. So chat means we can basically interact with the human beings, and beside behind that, the generative pre-trained transformer is there, GPT, what we call. Uh, some tools we will be seeing is one is the Notebook LM. How many of you have heard about this Notebook LM? How many of you have heard about that? Where is the chat? Notebook LM. Google's this thing is there, Notebook LM, which is a very useful tool for various activities. So here I have displayed this my website. Just tell me whether that is visible so that I can go ahead.
Yes, sir, it is visible.
Yeah, you can see the notebook
Sir, we
element.
can see. Yes, sir.
Yes. So, so it has got various features. It is basically a RAG-based model, retrieval augmented generation model, where you give certain uh, documents to it, and then it will understand that document, and then based on the soul that document only it will answer. So it is that way different from normal LLM. Normally, suppose you ask ChatGPT some question, it will search the whole internet and it will answer you. So you don't know the authenticity of that. You don't know what is the uh, specific this thing source of that. Here in Notebook LM, you get specific source because that is the source you are uploading it. Now you can see here some featured notebooks are there, and some I also these are my uploaded notebook. Like suppose here this is there. This is yoga study material, or suppose there are a lot of diverse use for this. Huh? Okay, now let us say I'll show you this one. This is here now I have uploaded Maharashtra Public Universities Act. This I have taken from the internet and I have uploaded it on this notebook LM. Now everything whatever I want to ask on this thing I can ask. There are various features available to it. I will create one notebook and show it to you so that you can understand better. This I will create new one. Now here, when you say create new notebook, then it asks for the sources. It will not take its own. It will ask what are the things you want to upload. So for example, I upload certain document. Let us say no. This is okay. This is a document I will upload. This is actually our department's syllabus is there. Now, this document has become the source on which now this notebook will study. Are you able to see it is uploading the syllabus? It takes
No,
some time
sir.
because it's a big.
Sir, your screen is
Yes.
not visible. Just PPT is visible. Whatever you are doing, we can't see.
You are not able to see.
Yes, sir.
Oh, I'll
Screen is
stop
not
sharing
shared,
and
I
again
think.
share.
I
I'll
think
stop
whole.
and again.
Yes, sir.
Again. Yes. Now I have stopped. I'll just.
You have to share. Yes,
Now you
sir.
are able to see? Huh?
Yes.
So again, I'll say
Now
this
it is
is
visible.
no, yeah.
Huh,
So
ma'am.
this is notebooklm.google. This is the website. Okay.
Yes, sir. Okay.
No, notebook LM. Now it is a basically a RAG-based model. So whatever data we will give, that only it will consider. So it's an authentic source of that. For example, now this they have given this. Here you can see this is top 50 corporations in the world. Their earnings report has been uploaded. Financial reports of top 50 companies. Now, when you upload, then it studies it, and then you can ask various questions on that. So now these questions will be based on only this documents, nothing else.
Is it like ChatGPT, sir?
It is like ChatGPT, but it is restricted to the document itself.
Okay,
So,
okay,
for
sir.
example,
Thank you.
now here you can see foundations of marketing. So this I am teaching marketing, and this is the book of marketing by Philip Kotler. Okay, so that I have uploaded it. Now I will ask various questions. Foundations of marketing management. Now, let us say whatever question. What is marketing myopia? Let us say I ask that question. See, now this answer it has given, it is not from internet. It is from this book only. So it reads that book and gives answers. So here it has given which paragraph it is there. So it is answering that. Then let us say I want to ask, prepare some short questions on chapter 4. Okay, it is a book, and I am asking that some short questions I wanted to ask to students, and I'm asking. See, here are some short questions based on the content of chapter 4, conducting market research. What is the primary job of a marketing researcher? List the 6 steps in the marketing research process, and so on and so on. Name 3 main research instruments. So on this chapter, it has prepared questions. So this is the beauty of it. It's only going to refer this book, whatever we give, and it will answer the questions. It will prepare questions. Then here you can see it can prepare a mind map. Here you can see a mind map on that. Also, it can generate an audio, this thing. So if I'll this thing show you. You are able to hear it?
Yes, sir.
You are able to hear that Hindi, this thing, foundations?
No, so you have to play it first, sir.
Yeah, after playing.
I can't hear.
Have you heard it? List?
No, sir.
No. Oh, so that is the problem then. This is not, you are not going to hear that. Just a bit. I'll remove the. Just now you tell me.
हमारा मकसद है ये समझना कि भाई
Sir,
आज के
right
जमाने
now.
में मार्केटिंग का असली
You are able to hear?
Yes, yes.
So it has given an audio commentary of what is there in the book here, like you can see.
बदलाव है सही में।
ठीक है, तो ये आंतरिक संरेखण मतलब इंटरनल अलाइनमेंट, ये असल में काम कैसे करता है? क्या ये सिर्फ मतलब मीटिंग्स वगैरह करने के बारे में है?
नहीं, मीटिंग से कहीं ज्यादा है ये। इसका मतलब है कि सीनियर मैनेजमेंट से लेकर हर डिपार्टमेंट तक सब मार्केटिंग के मकसद को समझें, और सिर्फ समझे नहीं, उसका समर्थन भी करें।
अच्छा,
ये एक तरह से एक साझा कल्चर, एक संस्कृति बनाने जैसा है, जहां ग्राहक सबसे पहले आता है।
अच्छा,
और इसी से जुड़ी एक और अहम बात है परफॉर्मेंस मार्केटिंग।
हाँ,
आजकल कंपनियां सिर्फ बिक्री के आंकड़ों से आगे देख रही हैं।
परफॉर्मेंस मार्केटिंग मतलब ये देखना कि मार्केटिंग पे जो पैसा खर्च किया उससे कितनी बिक्री हुई, यही ना?
वो तो है ही बिल्कुल, लेकिन
Have you heard it?
Yes, sir. It's like an interview.
Yes, sir.
Actually, what is happening is it's a audio, this thing, we can say two people are discussing what is in the book, like that. So only on the book they are going to discuss. This is automatic. This audio has been generated by this. Now I have generated in Hindi. I can generate in English. I can generate in Telugu or whatever languages you want. So what happens is that rural people also will be able to understand it, isn't it? So it generates a beautiful discussion on this thing, like you can say.
CLV जिसे कहते हैं
जी,
उसका आइडिया और भी जरूरी हो जाता है।
CLV, हाँ सुना है इसके बारे में।
हाँ, तो CLV का मतलब है कि एक ग्राहक अपने पूरे जीवन काल में कंपनी को कितना मूल्य, ये कितना बिजनेस दे सकता है।
जी,
मार्केटिंग सिर्फ नए ग्राहक बनाने के बारे में नहीं है,
सही।
बल्कि जो मौजूदा ग्राहक हैं उन्हें बनाए रखने और उनके साथ रिश्ते को गहरा करने के बारे में भी है।
और ये क्यों जरूरी है इतना? मतलब नए ग्राहक लाना भी तो जरूरी है।
जरूरी है, लेकिन
Have you understood the beauty of this LM, Google LM this thing?
Yes,
LM.
sir. Nice tool is this.
Yes, yes. Then again, I said that mind maps it creates here. Here it can see, here it has now created a mind map, basically a visual representation of what are the concepts in this book. Marketing management, these major chapters are there. These are the chapters. Then if you click on, these are the sub titles in the chapter: customer value, customer relationship, brand equity. If I say brand equity, again, it is building brand equity, measuring it, managing. So it is creating basically a visual representation of this, so that it becomes easy to for the students to understand. Basically, this mind map can be developed in this way. Communicating value then. So this it has developed on its own based on this book on sale. So this book will become, here you can see here audio overviews there, mind map is there. Then you can prepare a timeline of this. Here you can see, can you see my cursor? Here it is a
Yes,
timeline
sir.
of when we
Yes,
press
sir.
when we press this timeline, what happens? See. It can generate timeline, it can generate FAQ on that. Then it can generate a study guide for that. So now, just within few minutes, it will create a timeline of this thing. Timeline is more important when we see historical things and so on. Just a minute. Here it has done something. This is a study, basically study guide for studying this. Then what we have. Okay, this is the mind map that it is done. A timeline is there. So here again in this book, whatever timeline has been given, that it will be bringing, like early 1900s, what was there, marketing, what were the, who has contributed in this, what things happened, mid 1980s, what has happened. So whatever deadlines they have given in this, dates they have given, this will be shown here, this thing. So this has given, then it is generating this FAQ also. So now you are understanding how it is contributing. It is helpful. Just a minute, I'll. Here timeline again, it is there. Now, one more thing. See now, this is about the books I have uploaded, but there are other ways in which we can get information from it. Like we can say here, you can see add resources. Okay. So when I say add, I can any YouTube this thing also source I can give. For example, let me give this thing just a minute. Okay, so now this is the Philip Kotler, who is the person known for marketing. He's the what I'll do is copy this link. Then I will go here. Okay. And here in the sources, here you can see the YouTube is there. I can put that link, insert. Now that interview itself is added as a source. Okay. Now, suppose I want to know, I have removed this source. Now in interview, what is there? What is summary of Philip's Kotler's interview? See, now that interview also full YouTube video, 1 hour video is there. That summary it is giving. He, whatever things he has spoken, marketing in turbulent economic climates, then accountability and measurement, 4 P's of marketing. So whatever he has spoken, that itself they have given that this is the summary of that. And so much summary they have given. Here we can give audio overview also. And whatever question we want to ask. What are Kotler's views? And it is why it is saying on, let us say, global recession. See, Philip Kotler offers a nuanced and strategic perspective on navigating global recessions and turbulent economy. So this is what he has spoken in the interview, and it is giving a summary of that. What is he has spoken, what are his views on particular topic. So such a intelligent work it is doing here. So this notebook LM we can use for these activities. Then you can see for various, I also use it for various sources. Another thing here you can do. Just a minute. Now what I had done. This is you can see this is biometric attendance of our staff. Every month the university sends me as being a head of department. Every month they send me the biometric attendance, all the staff and PhD students. Now what should I do of that? So what I do is that I upload it here and then I ask questions to it. What is the average hours of work of the teachers. So I think that it is not able to understand, but even here generate, when we say it is it will generate conversation based on this input what has been given. I think it will take some. See, now you can see based on provided sources, the individual explicitly identifies contractual teachers. So there, how many working days they have worked, how many working days were there in February, January, and so on. For every employee code they are giving. So your work is basically a lot of work is saved because of this. Now, otherwise, I have to go through everything, understand it, calculate it, who are working for how many hours and so on. So that is actually a very beautiful tool. This LM Studio is there. Another thing, just we will see. Even in Hindi also we can do. Now, I normally do all the ASCT and all the what they are seeing. So I upload it and then I ask questions. What are the teachers student ratio? So this documents it reads and then answers. See what it is saying. Engineering and technology, it is 1:25 ratio is required. Then UG programs, it is 1:20 required, and so on and so forth. So everything it is giving that answer. So this is one thing I wanted to show, because normally what happens, we only say chat GPT and AI, but this is a thing. Second is what I wanted to show is this, how many of you are doing, you are knowing chat GPT, that is true. But are you using custom GPTs? That I wanted to know. Can you tell me on your chat? You are not able to see the demo now?
Yeah, we are able to see, sir.
So how many of you are using custom GPTs?
I think no one has used.
No one. So basically there is a facility here. Now you will see what the beauty of this. Just a minute. Custom GPTs, my GPTs. Now, when I am in administration also as head, I have to write various letters. Now the letter, as per government of Maharashtra, we have to write in Marathi, and the typist and all the problems are there. So what I have done is designed this thing. Now I just tell it that write a letter to the registrar of university saying that the cleanliness of the department was not there since last few days, and we have informed to the state engineer, but no action was taken. So please do this something. See, you have seen it. Write a letter. It is typed. Okay. Is it fine? Now I upload it.
The register university.
Now just see this. See what it is doing. It has translated into Marathi, and it has written a letter exactly the way we are writing in the university. Prati, Kul Sachiv, this thing, and then Vishay subject and all these things. So it knows who am I. It knows how to address this thing, registrar of the university, how to write the subject, everything it knows now. I dictate and it is typing. So this is because the custom GPTs are there. We can design the custom GPTs and we can use it. I will show you
Fine, sir.
I will show you another GPTs which I use. Okay. So normally what happens as a board of studies and so on, we have to design syllabus for various colleges also and university also. So as per NEP, we have to do it. For that also I have done it. So it is like a help which we get when we get input from the GPT. Then we can redesign it based on this thing. So now it is here it is asking which course paper to set. No, it is paper setting. Sorry, this one is as per NEP. I can set a paper also, question paper. So I say that marketing. Now it is asking how many marks. Because I have already fed the instructions, whatever the parameters we are requiring, whatever the format of question paper is there. So it knows that because I have given it already. Like I want 45 marks. Okay, now it will be asking to upload this thing. Now I have to give it. This is our syllabus. I'll just show you how we do it. These are various subjects. Semester 1. 2, 3, 2, 2. Okay, we'll do one thing. We have got production, so production operations, we will do it. So this is syllabus we have taken. Okay. I will say no. I want to set paper of production. Okay. Understood. Now it is saying, it is knowing. So I'll put the syllabus here. Based on that syllabus itself, it will set the paper now. See, this is the complete format or the way we set the paper. First is the few questions are objective ones. Then the marking system, everything. Answer key also. I see another set. Now there is nothing out of syllabus. I have given the syllabus, and that syllabus itself, it is giving this thing. Isn't it beautiful? What do you think? Give in the chat, what do you think about it?
Oh, yes, sir. This is a beautiful tool.
See, it saves our lot of time. It's not like, we have to set
Yes.
paper or we have to do it, but it helps in doing that. We can get some ideas, some questions, let us say, or here also now, if we say syllabus setting also is there. Now here it is asking which MBA course syllabus do you want to. Now in this I have given instruction to it already that this is the pattern of our university. These are the things. These are the students. These type of students are there. And once I do it, then there are 40, 50 courses also I can design the syllabus. Now I ask it to design financial management syllabus. Okay. Now just see what it is doing. Now it is saying what are the credits. It knows because I have given it. It is saying course outcome also. Matlab, outcome based educations, whatever way we are doing, CO1, CO2 course outcomes. Understand all the levels it is being this thing. Then units, different units. What are the suggested textbooks? And these textbook actually we are using it, that itself it is giving. So it is not like it is giving some American or some this thing. Whatever Indian authors which we follow, the same it is giving. Also mapping also is there. Course outcome versus program outcome mapping. So you can see that every details it is following. Now you will ask me how does that happen? Because what I have done is first I have to give instructions to it. Now this in edit you can see. Here I have given all the instructions to it. This is the name, description, this designs the syllabus for Department of Management Science, this thing. Instructions. Now here instructions I have given. You can see. Create a complete syllabus for the course as per MBA, NEP, OB and AICT format. Okay. Example I have given course title, credits, how many credits, then what is the outcome, different outcomes are there. That has to be aligned with national education policy. I have instructed it. Incorporate a multidisciplinary learner-centric this pedagogy. Then outcome-based education, that is we are following. So it has to be outcome-based. Define course outcomes, map each outcome with Bloom's taxonomy, like remembering, understanding, and so on. Align assessments. Benchmark standards are there. So I have just given some nearby universities benchmark, because what happens is that our students who are coming from rural background, they should be able to understand this. So the AI should know that this is who is our student. See, do not give mapping or attainment in syllabus. Do not miss anything while converting. See, the prompt is there. Everything, first it has to be defined. But once I have defined it, then Many courses and many things I can do. Routine work I have also given the knowledge base also. We can upload the files here so that we can upload our syllabus, old syllabus, and we can see that you follow this thing. So these are the custom GPTs, means these are I have created, and there are others which are created also for before itself. Like these are ready-made custom GPTs which are available. See, like here, drop in any files and I can help analyze and visualize. Writing, so on, grammar checker is there, productivity. So this is a thing which is available in Chat GPT also. Then here in Gemini also. Gemini is Google's LLM model. Here they call it as Gem. So like we can design here. We have to give instructions. Once we give it, then it will be following the instructions. See this now I have done a problem solver. Now whatever problems we give, that will be solution will be given in this thing. Are you there now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. So these are the two things. This gamma, you know it or no? This is the gamma is the presentation PPTs we can create on this. How many of you are using gamma? On chat, you can inform me. How many of you are using gamma? Very good. No. No. So here, see, there are various ways in which we can create PPTs. Like for example, now create a new one. Okay. Now I can paste some text which I have for creating the slides, or I can generate it directly. Let us say generate. Now for what I want to do, that I have to give it here. I want to do a presentation. Then how many 10 slides I will be needing, and I want to maybe PPT on slides on, let us say, importance of technology in higher education. If I say this much only and generate outline, then it generates the outline. See now 10 slides outline it has generated. Okay. These are the 10 slides it has generated. Now if we find it okay or no, if it is not, then again we can ask it to generate it properly. Again, it has reworked on that. Enhancing student learning experience, empowering faculty and teaching innovation, streamlining institutional operations, increasing enrollment, and so on. So then we want to generate the slides. We just say generate. Here, beautiful slides will come now. It is generating now. See here now it has generated the digital transformation of higher education. These are various slides: enhancing student, empowering. So 10 slides, you can do it free. Again, you want that some better this thing it should be looking good. It is so we can change the theme also there. We can do it in a different theme. Where is it gone? Yeah, here theme is there. Suppose I want to do this theme. You can see now theme has changed. If you want to present, you can present also. So you can see within minutes it is preparing. Why it is going? Okay, so that is one. Where should I go? Yes, not this one. So this is there. This one is good for research purpose. So this again. Like let us say this on this, or I want to do the research report. So it will generate a report on this. It will take some time, but it is a good Perplexity is not a language model as such. It is an aggregator, like it is Google of AI. So various models are there. Now it is referring to various things like, see. And a very good report which has got all the sources. That is important here. So from where you are taking information, that also it is giving to me. Here up to now 20 sources it has gone. Here then, this is voice AI agents. So this one thing I can show it to you. What is this? Can you tell me? Anybody? See, this is
Railway station map.
so what is it? It is actually it is a workflow. And
Sir,
this,
can you repeat it again? This one where you started, sir? This flow diagram.
this one.
How you opened it, sir?
No, this is
Page
NA10.
and explain.
This is
What,
another
sir?
website. This is another website, NA10.
Another website, sir.
Yes, yes. Now here, the beauty of this thing is that this workflow is automation. Actually, this is automation, and this is doing the HR manager's job. This is automation basically. See, here from here, this is job application form. When somebody fills the job application form, it will upload this thing, then extract file out of that. This is actually doing it. These are AI agents. Basically, these are agents. What I was talking about, these are AI agent, project manager, job description is there, marketing manager job description, automation, all is collated. Then it is compared with the job description, this biodata, and then whoever is matching, their email is automatically sent. So this is an automation part. This is automation. Then here you can see another automation is there. Then technical assessment is there. This is an agent actually. What you are saying is an agent which is doing technical assessment. Then message model is there. Now it is you will be able to, for you it is very complex this thing, but just I was showing it how automation is happening. Now one person's job is getting lost because of this. What this I am showing you. This let us say a company is there which has got maybe HR department through 4 people are there, and 200 biodatas are coming for a job application. 300 biodatas, 400 are coming. Now it becomes a vast work from there or there. But this is doing job of taking all these applications, processing it, deciding which are matching with the and whoever is matching, for them it is sending emails. Okay. And then it is arranging for interviews. Then here inside it actually selection, rejection, that is also there. So this rate is there for of automation which we are having. Now let us see whether that is over. See, now here it has created electrical vehicle market in India. That report is created. What is the market size and so on. And the real beauty of this perplexity is that it is having everything is source is given. Like here, if you see from where it has taken the data, here where it has taken data, that everything is available. So it is an authentic source. See, EV reporter, then market share of various states is there. How it has increased from 22 to 25. Government policy. Now here you can see here sources are there. Here you can see all the sources, 59 sources it has referred. Okay, so getting such kind of data and this thing is a very unique thing. One more I wanted to show you here. This is a website Elicit. Okay. Now normally you are also doing research work. PhD students are there. The problem is that getting authentic papers, and here it helps you in that. Now here they are asking a research question. What is the research question? Somebody you give me example of what your research question is there. Someone from you, can you give this thing? Just give me one research question or tell me on your mic so that we can see how it does it. Are you able to hear me?
Application of Maxen. Sir,
Sorry?
application of Maxine for supercapacitor.
Just a minute. Now, application, just a minute. Application of,
Maxine.
can you spell it?
MAX
MAX
CEN.
CEL
N.
N. This is correct?
Yeah.
Next, what is it?
For supercapacitor.
For supercapacitors. Okay. Now this we have given it as a question. It is, you can see, evaluating the question strength. Okay. And what it is saying, can you read it?
More precise
work
question
better.
work better.
Okay. And it is also saying suggestions. Now if it is saying specificity, methodology and application context. If I say specificity, see, it has changed the question. What is it? What is the performance enhancement of Maxent material in improving energy storage capacity of supercapacitors compared to traditional electrode? This is the actual good question. Research question should be like this.
It's okay.
So what is saying is that this is what we had given, but it is saying research question should be very specific like this, precise. Okay.
It's okay. Go with this.
Methodology also, it is saying, see, how does the synthesis method of Maxent influence the electrochemical properties and charge-discharge efficiency of supercapacitor electrodes? So we should have methodology also in the question. Context also we should have. What are the potential practical application of Maxent-based supercapacitors in renewable energy storage system? So isn't it? It is showing us how to frame the question also. So
Yes,
now
sir.
here that if we say, now it is saying it is a great question now. This is actually a research question. Now it has framed a question. Now it will be saying, okay. It has given papers on that. See, you can see now, decent, good quality journals papers are shown here. So lot of papers it is giving.
Very much useful tool is this, sir.
And not just that, then next, if we say, suppose asks new question and find papers, that is different thing. Extract data, okay, or summarize abstract. Let us say, extract data from uploaded papers. Okay, it is actually. We have to select it actually. Which paper?
We have to select it and then
we have to, let us say this we have selected. These two papers we have selected. Then see, it is saying extract data, summarize abstract. Let us say summarize the abstract. So now this is reading the papers and making an abstract out of those both papers. See. So normal GPT chat and this thing is different thing, and this is serious research work which is there. Actually, this is what is serious, this thing. Otherwise, chat GPT and all, you will find just general, whatever all is available on the Google, that is they are giving. But so, actual research papers and research work you can do, PhD work, lot of help you get from that. This is free I have done. Now, if you go for subscription, then even more papers are given. Here you can see alerts are also there. So if you tell it that this is the topic I am interested in working, so whenever something new research is coming in that, it will give you alert that this new paper is there on this topic. If you want, you can go in details of that. So you can create alert on this. So these are the things actually I wanted to show. Any questions are there? We will have a question answer session now. Any questions you may ask any questions if you want.
Elicit, if we put elicit.com, so we can get everything, yes, sir, based on the research.
See, elicit.com here, when technical research we want to do, then this is a good website because it is going through the journals. Various research journals are there. Research, find papers and research reports. So ask a research question to generate a structured research report. Then systematic review is there. Suppose you have prepared a paper or some dissertation. So it will also review it and tell you what are the things. So elicit is there, 2 or 3 other are also there. This is there. Some paper on this thing. Paperguide.ai. The website is paperguide.ai.
Sir, one doubt, will you get all IEEE paper? Even SCI have a few papers we are not receiving, even if it is published in 2025. Suppose can we get all recent papers, even if it is a high impact factor journals in this?
Yes. It will give high impact factor, but some journals which are not this thing open source or not, they will not be. Maybe I have not also seen that whether these are available. That I think we need to check because some are subscription based and very heavy subscription based are there. So I think these people are giving subscription to them for this. Because what is happening is that they are not taking complete paper as such. They are taking extracts and literature reviews there. See here you can see in this. Now here complete research literature review of this thing is there. If you give any question, I'll type it and you can see. So any other question is there?
Sir, just type that is what? Just a minute, sir. Sir, classification of detection and classification of Alzheimer's disease using detection and classification of
of
deduction, not deduction, DETEC.
Okay.
Deduction.
DEPE.
Not P, sir. DETECTION.
Detection and classification of
Alzheimer's disease using deep learning.
Actually
spelling ALZHEMIR, the Alzheimer's disease.
Okay.
Disease using deep learning technique.
This is your topic.
Yes, sir. Research paper.
So you want research papers on that? Or
yes, sir. Deep search or research paper, anything.
Literature review you want or deep research? Just or it is gone. Oh, that is gone. Again, I have to type. What is it again? Detection.
Detection and classification of classification of Alzheimer disease using deep learning techniques.
Sir, please share
Stop it once, sir,
website
even
link.
if it is to go.
Now, I have implemented.
Sir, please share link, sir.
See, this is paperguide.ai. That is one. And this is one, Elicit, elicit.com. Okay. See, now it is asking some questions. What is the data type are you interested in? MRI images, PET scan, genetic, and deep learning tech are you focusing? So you have to answer
Deep
that.
learning specific technique and images were it asked. So that is MRI images you can include. MRI image technique is CNN.
Are you aiming to
Comparison and
compare the performance?
CNN. CNN with RCNN.
Yes, yes. To compare CNN with
RNN and they've given
RNN. Isn't it?
CNN. CNN, sir.
Yeah, it is auto typing that.
But it comes under, okay, put there. Both are related only.
See, again, it is
Again, it's
object
another question. Multi-class or this binary? Okay. Class type we need to give again. LT, yes, sir. Evaluation type is accuracy, that is performance metrics.
See, now there are two ways there, that controlled deep research and automatic deep research. It will take some time because it's a specialized. And when we give subscription, then I think they will be doing it better way. I think so. See, now it has taken 28 papers. Are you seeing it?
Yes, sir.
28 papers it has.
Related papers. Super.
That summarizing is also there. Sample size, what they have taken. These studies, what is their finding, quality, everything. Reproducibility. So this is what is, I think, today. For today, I am done now. Still any questions are there? I will answer it.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Anyone has questions?
No, sir.
Okay, so then I think we will call it a day. Sir, stop sharing.
Sure, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes. Okay. Thank you very much.
सर आभार मानू का?
आभार तुमची पद्धत असेल तर माना.
काय नाही सर. प्रोटोकॉल आहे.
हा,
Okay.
ठीक आहे, ठीक आहे.
Okay, I am ready, sir. Good evening, everyone. Myself, Professor Vivek Shantaram Chavan, roll number 29 from Parishar Bayasaheb Khardekar College, Vengurla. On behalf of all the participants and the organizers of this UGC-MMTTC short-term training program, I would like to sincerely thank our today's guest speaker, Dr. Abhijeet Shelke sir, for today's eye-opening session on leading the AI revolution in Indian academia under NAP 2020. In this session, sir explained how artificial intelligence is more than just ChatGPT and help us to understand the difference between generative AI and traditional AI, along with how this system actually work in the back end and front end. As the time is processing, we must adopt the emerging technologies and use AI not just to gather information, but to enhance our daily academic and professional tasks. What made the session even more impactful was the PPT itself was created using AI, a perfect real life example of its potential in education. This session was very useful, helpful, and easy to understand. Once again, thank you, sir, and thank you all. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very
Thank you,
much,
sir. Excellent presentation, sir. We also learned the practical session.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, thank you, sir.
Okay, bye.
Thank you, sir.